Hi, welcome to Focus on the Road. My name is Paul, and I'm going to be producing a series of videos to help new RVers. These short 5-minute videos are designed to give you a snapshot of just the general information to get you started. They're primarily focused on fifth wheels, but a lot of this information should translate into most RVs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified when a new video pops up. And as always, please leave comments below. I love to read comments, and other people do as well. So if you have any questions or comments or any information that you'd like to share as well, please leave it in the comments below, and either I will get back to you or somebody else that's way smarter than me will do that.
Today's video is dumping the black tanks. Step 1, gloves. Put some gloves on. They're cheap. So the first step you're going to do is make sure that your outlet is close enough to your outlet. You're going to pull the cap off. Okay. You're going to locate your hose, your sewer area, take the cap off. I do have one of these in case you have an area where it's just a hole in the ground. I've seen those. This helps out quite a bit because you're going to be able to fit this in nice and securely and have a nice tight seal. Basically screws on. This piece actually comes apart and you can screw it onto here. You have a nice tight seal, and this sucker will clamp on just like that. There's a rubber seal here, make sure that's not missing. Just make sure your hose is level, or this end is higher than the drain side, just so you don't have a lot of water getting collected inside your hose. Because if it's like this, you're gonna get a bunch of stuff getting stuck inside here, and then it's not gonna flow. First thing you wanna do is pull your valve if you have one of these. I like to start with the black tanks first. It's highly recommended to start with the black tanks. So once you flush your black tanks, alright, so once you know that these are empty, you can go ahead and close these again. At this point, you may want to do a flush if you have the time, or if you are unsure that everything's out of your tank, hook up your hose to the flush. I have a whole separate video on that, so if you want to go watch the flush video, that's fine. And then after that, you're going to hit your gray tanks. You're going to open up your gray tanks. This is going to flush anything that was in those tubes down, so it'll keep everything nice and clean. You still may have to use a hose to wash out your black tank or your sewer hose, but at least this is one way to flush out all of the black tank water. Alright, so once you're satisfied and you've got everything out and you don't hear any more water coming out, close your black tanks up again. Don't you take it off? Put this thing. Put your cap back on. You want to rinse off the tank, so you don't have water on this. Just in case there's anything left inside already, make sure you rinse out. Alright, so there you go. Once you're done with your gloves, you can take those and just dispose of them. It's just not the most pleasant thing to do at the end of a camping trip. Well, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching.